To spend money is we can say there are two ways.
Mm-hmm.
One can understand that they have just spent the money, and and other can take it like they have just invest the money. So
Yeah.
there are so many expenditure where we
Mm-hmm.
spend the money and where we invest the money. So we should always think about investing.
Yeah. Could you please tell us about your short term and long term goal?
Short terms and long terms goals. When it comes to goals, so goals are, as you described, goals are of two types: long terms and short terms.
Yeah.
And our short terms goals are the part of our long term goal. Because
Yes.
if we have decided something in our mind that this is our long term goal, so we have to done something on in that direction only.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, I have also my long-term goal, but if I have not describe or disclose this goal in front of others, but
Yeah.
I
So
am
true.
working in chunks towards this goal. Last year, my last year goals was my last year short-term goal was that I have to work about my fluency,
Mm-hmm.
and I think that I have achieved that goal.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
and
Awesome.
and this year I'm just proceeding my goal in that direction only.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see, I'm doing my 100%,
Mm-hmm.
and I hope that I will do my best to get that dream also.
Yeah. And last time you told about your son's marks also. So that he has done, he cleared his exam through flying colors and he got really very good marks. So how he is
Yes.
doing and he's in which class now? He is must
Uh,
be
if,
in ninth class, I think.
no, my younger one is in class 6th, and my elder one is now in class 11th.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, I forgot. I forgot. Yeah.
So yeah, he has just topped. He has been English topper this year
Wow,
of the
wow.
class.
So
Yes, he has
congratulations.
secured 95 in class 10th,
Mhm.
95% in English. Yeah. Sorry,
Wow,
96.
wow, it's really great. Because why I asked about that, because you are not only working and chasing your dreams, but you are just taking care of your loved ones. You are taking full attention towards your family also. So and it's really commendable.
Yes, actually, when we are a great thinker, no, so that time we are always worried. You can say worried or you can say aware
Yeah,
that we are
I think
always
about you, aware word is more means it is better. It is
more
better.
suitable.
Yeah,
Yes,
more suitable. Yeah.
yes. So
Yeah,
I am more aware about my children's future. Yes.
so true, so true. So, do you want to share something else today?
Uh,
Anything? Do you have?
I just want to know about your practice first. That how are you doing these days?
These days, actually, I am reading and listening more. And sometimes I connect that we are having lots of groups, ladies groups and other groups also. So sometimes I connect there. And today I connected with you. So let's see what happens. Next time I will.
That's great. If yeah, that's great. If you
Yeah.
have that equipment that you can
Mhm.
get leverage from that, so it is good.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, these days my son is doing his internship in Deloitte and he is here only. So he went to his office and that's why I'm able to avail his desktop. I learned it by he gave me a little bit of training that how I can use this and then I'm in front
It's
of
great.
you.
You have learned this technology for the sake of your learning. It's
Yeah,
good.
so true. So true.
I thought that in future, in
Uh,
future, if there will be laptop with me, so I would also love to learn
yeah, definitely
about this.
you will have your laptop soon because you are also a earning member of your family, so you can very easily purchase that. And these days we can buy anything on installment. It's really very easy. So
Yes.
it's not a difficult task. So,
Yeah. Actually,
hmm.
to spend money is of we can say there are two ways. One can understand that they have just spent the money, and and other can take it like they have just invest the money. So
Yeah.
there are so many expenditure where we spend the money and where we invest the money. So we should always think about investing.
Yeah, so it would be a great investment actually. And you
Yeah,
have to do that.
no doubt.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So today I really enjoy our conversation. And if you want to ask something else, otherwise we should wrap up this session and we'll connect
Yeah,
again. So,
actually, it's been always a fabulous and fantastic session with you, full of energy, joy, and happiness. Because
same here, same.
something I feel that you are an imperative person in my life.
Well, thank you so much. And I also think about you just the same. So definitely
Hmm.
we'll connect. Lovely connecting with you, Gita. Have a great day.
Okay,
Bye bye.
bye bye. Have a nice day.